పేరు ఉదయ్. నేను సమ్మర్ క్యాంప్ Anagha కంప్యూటర్ నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను. నేను ఒక పీపీటీ చేస్తున్నాను. అబౌట్ ది కంప్యూటర్. What is the computer? A computer is an electron device that processes and stores data under the control of instructions, which are called programs. It can perform arithmetic and logical operations and has the ability to store and retrieve large amounts of information. Modern computers use binary code. How it's work? Computer work by processing information through a cycle of input, processing, storage, and output. Input is received through device like keyboards and mice that the CPU interprets and executes instructions. Data is stored in memory and the results are displayed or output through device like monitor and printer. Parts of the computer. What is the use of computer? Computer have a wide range of uses across various fields, include education, communication, entertainment, business, and more. They are essential for tasks like information storage, processing, and retrieval, as well as for online interactions, entertainment, and even automatically tasks. What is the disadvantage of the computer? Computer has several disadvantages, including health issue from overuse, cybersecurity threats like virus, and leading to reduced cognitive abilities and social isolation. They also involve initial setup and maintenance costs, environment impact, and can contribute to unemployment due to automatically. Other disadvantages like eye strain and attacks, sedentary lifestyle, carpal tunnel syndrome, and other muscular cyber threats, virus and malware, hacking and data breaches, privacy concerns, dependency and overuse, reduce cognitive abilities, social isolation, addictions. Other disadvantages: initial setup and maintenance costs, environment impact, automation and environmental impact, automation and unemployment. Thank you.